Ever tried drawing something that looks like a living, breathing tangle of branches? That's today's pattern, Mythograph, and it's wilder than it looks. Hi, I'm Melanie from Hobbi 101, and I'm taking part in everythingisart.com's Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge. Every day this month, we're learning one new Zentangle pattern and adding it into a single growing masterpiece tile. Today, it's day 13, the mystical Mythograph. This tangle is all about movement, a forest of intertwining lines that feels alive. Let's dive in. Start with a single flowing stem. Don't overthink it. Mythograph builds on simple curves that weave and cross like nature's own pattern. Notice how the lines seem to move on their own? That's the beauty of organic patterns. They flow without rules. Keep layering more branches, letting them overlap naturally. Some lines fade behind others. Some emerge forward. Try adding a second curve that gently crosses the first, then another, branching away like it's growing on its own. Here's the trick that brings Mythograph to life, the over and under illusion. You'll see this type of drawing technique of the over and under illusion with patterns like Hobbi. When two lines cross, pause your stroke. Lift your pen slightly, skip the intersection, and continue on the other side. That tiny gap creates depth. If you accidentally draw through a line, don't worry about it. Just thicken the top line a bit later to restore the illusion. Every intersection feels like a tiny decision, front or back, light or shadow. It's storytelling in ink. Now let's add a hint of shading to bring these branches forward. Darken the areas where one branch passes behind another. See how the shadow makes it breathe? Suddenly, it's not just lines, it's motion. Okay, we've got the rhythm down on the practice tile. Now let's see how Mythograph intertwined with everything we've drawn so far in our 31-day finale piece. I'm drawing Mythograph along the right edge of our master composition, letting it grow upward like wild branches reaching for light. It balances the softer patterns we added earlier, adding contrast and movement to the overall flow. See how the branches weave through older patterns? That's the magic of tangling. Each day builds on the last. Sometimes a little chaos is what makes a composition beautiful. Let it flow naturally. So I went to the Laufey concert the other day with my brother, and I was absolutely blown away. A jazz singer selling out a big city arena. That's something you don't see every day. Her stage was filled with the most beautiful repeating patterns. Soft, organic shapes that felt alive, almost like tangles moving with the music. It made me think about how rhythm and pattern are really the same language. One you hear, the other you draw. Ever since the other night, I've been thinking about creating a Zentangle tutorial inspired by Laufey. Something with her dreamy, jazz-infused calm. Would you like to see that? Let me know in the comments. I think it would be a really special piece. When you're drawing organic patterns like Mythograph, try varying your line weight. Press a little harder on the base of each branch and lighten your pressure as you move outward. It mimics the natural taper of a twig and adds a sense of growth. Then, softly blend your pencil shading into the background to anchor the branches without muddying those lines. Tiny adjustments in pressure make a big difference in the calm you feel while drawing. And that's day 13, Mythograph. Our forest of tangles keeps growing, each pattern adding texture and story. Tomorrow, we continue with day 14, Puffle. A quick reminder, when you like, comment, or subscribe, YouTube shares this with more people who need a calm, creative break. Thanks for helping spread the Tangle love.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.